Sanjay Prakash Routi, Managing Partner of Shilpi Inter Design Solutions. I am a qualified interior designer from Mumbai, and I have been associated with this company from 1992. It's approximately 28 years of experience which I am carrying. We do corporate interiors, banking sectors, residential, gyms and fitness centers in a turnkey solutions. And we have a qualified interior designers, draftsmen, site supervisors, full set of team to give the best results for our client in a smooth and hassle-free process. I have not started this company. It was started by my father in 1982. Post his demise in 1992, I had to take over the company as there were some sites going on. We had some clients, and our clients also encouraged me to take it forward, and they supported me. We had very few clients in those times, but they were very supportive as they knew about our work culture, and things started that way. From 1992, in those days we used to have, or we used to work only in Mumbai and Pune city, and we had office in Mumbai itself only. But now from 1992 to till date, I have been running it successfully. The business we have now have offices in Mumbai, which is a head office. Then we have branch office in Vadodara. We have branch office in Bhopal, and we are doing works now pan India, like in Gujarat state, Rajasthan, Delhi, UP, Bangalore, Karnataka, AP, Hyderabad, all major cities, Calcutta. We have covered all the areas in our nation, and looking forward to have more offices in other cities also. And given an opportunity, I would like to work abroad also with my talent and with my teamwork. Well, I have not actually idolized anybody in my field, because for me, I feel every designer I should idolize, because every designer teaches me a lot of things, a lot of designs. So to idolize one person will be difficult, because one person, if I have to idolize his style, which is not a need of the time. So I always idolize each and every design, each and every project which has been carried out by, say, my young startup businessmen also, or just passed out students who have just started the business. They also come up with a very creative ideas, or say the senior people also, or the legends also who are there in our field. So I don't idolize anybody as such, but I idolize everybody. There were a lot of challenges in the business when I started, as I was only 18 years of old when my demise had happened. So, and I was pursuing my interior studies also at that time. So it was very, in fact, it became me an advantage, because I had started working at sites. I was taking practical knowledge also. I was pursuing my studies where I was getting my theoretical knowledge also. So it became very easy for me to get an hand-on experience and complete my studies in a very smooth manner. Then we had a very few clients in those days. We had offices in Mumbai only. Then I had my vision to grow myself, grow my business. My father vision of making a good company, delivering good stuff to my clients, and slowly and steadily we started growing. We started growing the clients. We started getting good business. Started getting good staff also, and things kept on moving. But we always thought one thing, we need to change depending upon the time. As in interiors, there are a lot of changes happening every year, every month, and you have to be with them. And you can't have a design or any kind of product which your client is not ready to accept it. To first in our interiors, the challenge is that we have to accept and understand the client's requirement. What is his taste? What he wants? What is his budget? What is his timelines? So all together bring into that we have to deliver the product and very in a very smooth manner where he appreciates our work and he gives a reference to that. He becomes a promotional partner as giving references about our work to more and more prospective clients. So that was a struggle. Then slowly we started with the corporate sectors getting into. Then there was a trend of banking sectors. We started with banking sectors. We did a lot of branches for a lot of banks, financial institute, gold loan companies. Then there was a trend when now gyms and fitness centers was booming because everybody was fitness freaks. So there was a business growing in gyms and fitness centers, which we entered into about 10, 11 years ago. And we started doing fitness centers also. Then there was a period of simultaneously retail stores, which was happening. A lot of malls were coming up. So we started with the retail sectors also. And yes, the journey is going on now. Still a lot way to go. And let's hope for the good future. Thank you.